In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 black screen error. So in case you're getting black screen while trying to either launch Call of Duty Black Ops 6 or while playing Black Ops 6, here's how to fix it easily. So the first thing you can try doing right now if you're having this issue and are trying to play this very moment, you can reboot your console or computer and this will likely fix the issue, however only temporarily. So what we're gonna do first to ensure this is fixed forever is we're gonna open Steam and then Call of Duty game as well as an admin, okay? So the way you do this is by first closing down Steam, but not just like I did it right now. You want to go down here to the very bottom right, open this Show Hidden Icons tab, right click on Steam, and click Exit Steam. Wait for Steam to shut down, and then to ensure it's truly closed, you want to right click on your taskbar down here and click Task Manager. Now this will open up the Task Manager. You want to go to the very top where it says type name, publisher, etc. and you want to type in Steam. If anything regarding Steam or whatever pops up, you want to close it down by clicking on it and clicking Add Task. And the way you do this is simply, as I just told you, you want to click on it and press End Task. So simply close down all the Steam things running in the back. Once you've done this, search up Steam down here in the search box inside Windows, right click on Steam and click Run as Administrator. It may ask you to then enter in your admin PIN, so if it does, just enter it in. If it doesn't, that's fine as well. So Steam will then open up as admin. Now, if you're not doing that regularly, you'll probably have to log into your Steam account, but if you ever done that, then you won't have to, okay? So if it asks you to log in, just log in and you're good to go. In here, what you then want to do is run the game from Steam itself, not from your desktop shortcut. So just go to Library, click on Call of Duty and click that kind of green play button over here, which will launch the game up, and that way, hopefully this will fix the issue. If it doesn't, what you can try doing is right-clicking on the Call of Duty game, pressing Properties, and then Installed Files, and in here where it says Verify this game's files are installed correctly, you want to click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you click this, it will kind of scan through the file library, and your computer will realize if there's any bad files in there, replace them and install some missing ones, and then once that's done, which by the way only takes a few seconds up to a few minutes, it's very quick, hopefully this will fix the issue and your black screen will no longer be there and no longer be appearing. Now, once you've done this, you want to close this down, and then the second thing you want to do is go up here to where you can see Steam, and click Settings over here, and in here you got that in-game setting over here in the middle. Click on it, and the first thing is enable the Steam overlay while in-game. You want to make sure this is disabled, so grayed out, not like this over here. Click on it until it's gray, so turned off. So once you've done that, there's one final step we're going to do, and it is adjusting the NVIDIA shader cache. Now, if you have NVIDIA, you can do this. If you don't, you unfortunately can't do it. However, you can Google how to do it for your own graphics card. Close down Steam again, and then you want to go to your desktop, and anywhere where there's empty space, you want to right click, and then click Show More Options if you're in Windows 11, and then click NVIDIA Control Panel. If you can't see it over here, just search it up in here inside the search, so just type in Control Panel and open it up. Over here, you want to extend this 3D Settings option, and then you want to click on Manage 3D Settings. You then want to switch to Global Settings, and you want to scroll down here until you see Shader Cache Size. Click on it and then double click over here, or just once click, Driver Default. Now, where it says Driver Default, you want to make sure you change this to either 10 gigabytes or 100 gigabytes. So if you have, for example, a gaming laptop like me, you can click 100 gigabytes and that will do just fine. Once you click that, you want to click Apply, and that's it. Now, once you've done that, you want to go to Help up here, and click Debug Mode over here, so then once you click again, you'll see this check mark next to Debug Mode. So that's pretty much it. You can now close this down and try opening up your game, and hopefully this fixed the issue for you. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.